Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. I hope you're having a good weekend so far. Okay. So today is Saturday, May the 24th. We have made it to day number 45 of this Miley Gen Secret Challenge, guys. And if you guys have not, if you don't know what's going on here, guys, what we're doing is we are promoting a offer, one offer from Clickbank, and we're using a service called Miley Gen Secret System to get traffic, and we're putting those together. We're somehow seeing if we can get results. Okay, and in the end, we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income with this method. All right. So, if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number 1 of this challenge so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing because we're at day number 45, right? Okay, so we're cooking right now. We're climbing, all right, with this series, all right. So, and also, guys, what we're doing here, guys, also is we're taking one offer, okay, and we're going to promote it 365 days, okay, which is 1 year. And we're not going to promote anything else but that one offer to the traffic, and we're going to see how much money we can make with it. All right. So it's day number 45. Yesterday, these are the kind of results that you're looking at in front of me. This is the video from last night. We got a sale and then we got a rebuild and all that good stuff. So yesterday was pretty good. But I did send out an email yesterday and I want to go ahead and check the results with you guys live today to see if we made any type of commissions, if we earned anything, or if we got any traffic. Okay. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. All right. So if you guys don't know what Miley Gen Secret is, Miley Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day that you come into your back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 business opportunity leads coming in every day. Okay. And what that means is that these people that are coming onto the list, these people are looking for ways to earn money online. Okay. They're hungry. They're looking for ways to take care of their families or make the extra income to pay bills and stuff like that. Okay. So it's our jobs as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers and things that are related to making money online and put that, give that to our prospect that's looking for ways to earn money online. Okay. And that's how we get paid. Okay. So, if you guys get started with the mileage and secret, your back office is going to look exactly like this. You got these tabs here. Also, I did leave a link below this video. So if you guys wanted to get started, so if you go down here to the video, click on more, there's going to be this link right here. Click on this link right here, guys. Join my mileage and secret team. So you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. There is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. And what you're getting with $30, okay, every month is thousands of new people coming into your list every single month. Okay. So the longer you become a member, the more people that you have on your list. Okay. Until you get up to 200,000, you max out at 200,000. And then once you hit that 200,000, you start getting more. It just keeps going. Okay. And what ends up happening once you get to 200,000 is that those people at the bottom of the list, they drop down and you get brand new subscribers every single month. Okay. From that point on, which is pretty awesome. Okay. And that's what everyone goal here is with the company is to get to 200,000 emails. Okay. But you have to stay consistent and you have to, stay motivated to want to, see this thing to the end. And that's exactly what I did. Just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over 3 years now. Okay. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. Okay. But one thing is that this traffic is cold traffic. Okay. This is not like, hot traffic where you send out one email, you're going to get, crazy, commissions, in one day. It doesn't work that way. This is the type of system that you're going to have to get these people to warm up to who you are. And then once they warm up to who you are, they're going to trust you. And then they'll start opening up, subscribing to whatever offer that you have. And then eventually they'll start buying from you. Okay. So that's the thing about this mileage and secret traffic. Okay, guys, it's good traffic. But these people, again, they don't know who you are. So you have to send out emails every day so they can know who you are. Okay. So the back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. You got your My Leads tab here. And what dictates 100 to 200 leads is going to be however many accounts that you have. Okay. So right now I have 8 different accounts. Okay. And this is my last account. Okay. I haven't promoted this account to get the extra 100 leads because every account that I have under my 8th account has 200 leads in it. Okay. And I have maybe 4 or 5 accounts that are maxed out at 200,000 leads. Okay. So this is what it would look like. Your back office would look like. These are master email swipes. These are additional emails that you can purchase. Okay, that does cost you $30 for an additional emails that you can promote whatever business opportunity that you want with this email swipes. But for the sake of this video, what we're going to do is we're going to promote just the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay, so we don't have to go out and purchase anything. Just use the free email swipes from Clickbank, okay, from the offer that we're promoting, okay, which is pretty cool, okay. So you don't need to purchase anything here. This is where you're going to be hanging out the most. This is the mailing system. This is where we're going to go in and we're going to send out an email today, okay. So you want to click on the mailing system, okay, and we want to get a fast start, okay, to go ahead and send out an email. So what you would do if your account is brand new, click on select all. Your account may say 100, 200 emails, maybe 1,000, 1,500. Just depends on how far along are you with your account. Okay. But if you're just getting started, it may be just a few hundred or maybe a couple hundred. Okay. So this account that I have, my last account, has 53,000 people that it's going to be going out to. Okay. That we're going to send an email out to. Okay. So you want to come down here, guys, to the subject line, and we have a body right here. I've already sent out my emails today, guys, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. Okay, if you guys ever sent out an email in Google or Bing or whatever email service that you have, you're going to be able to figure out, how to send out an email because it's the same thing as you sending out an email in your Gmail account. Okay. So let's go to the Clickbank marketplace. If you don't know what Clickbank is, it's a network platform that you can go to and you can promote all these offers. Okay. You have health and fitness niche. You got the e-business, e-marketing niche, which is the business opportunity niche. You also have spirituality, self-help, home and garden, cooking and wine, green, and business investing. Okay. The the offer that works best is going to be the e-business, e-marketing. This is going to be the best niche that you have. Okay, and what we're doing is we're promoting this offer called live chat jobs, which is social sales rep. Okay, so click on the affiliate page. It's going to take you to the affiliate page. And when you come here, you're going to click on email swipes. This is going to be the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay, and you want to go to, you have 20 different emails that you can send out. Okay, so okay, I believe last night we may have sent out maybe this one right here. Let's go ahead and go to this one right here and let's go ahead and grab the subject line, Control C. You come back over here to the mailing system and you want to Control V, right? And you come down here to the mailing system. Make sure you click on perfect timing. And then you're going to come back over here to the email swipes here. And then you want to grab this body and you want to grab that. Grab all of it, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control A and then Control V. Okay, take out signature. Okay, and you want to put in your name or management, whichever one. You want to take out where it says your name, and you want to let's see, Control C, and want to grab that first name, and you want to come back here, and you want to Control V. Okay, paste that in right there. All right, and that's it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you kind of put in different codes and you want to change out certain things. Right here where it says click here if you're interested, we just want to take this whole thing and we're going to make this a clickable link. Okay. That way our prospect can click on that link and they can go right to our page. Now, underneath every email that we send out of these 20 emails, there's going to be a link that goes with the email. Okay. So what's important, the most important is your Clickbank affiliate ID. Okay. This is the ID that you make whenever you come up with an account with Clickbank. Okay. So I'm gonna put in mine. Don't put in mine, put in your own. Okay. And then click on OK. What that does is turns this into a clickable link. Okay. Control A. and we want to make this at least 16 or 18 so we can kind of, so our prospects can read it clearly. Okay. So we want to come down here. This email looks like it's ready to go. Okay. It says, hi, such and such. Hi, Jermaine. Hi, John, whatever your name is. Okay. Working from home is becoming increasingly popular, right? Yada, yada. They go to this link where it says click here, a call to action. They click here. It takes them to our offer. Okay. That does all the selling and telling for us. Okay. We don't have to do anything. All we have to do is get our prospect from point A to point B. Okay. That's it. All right. So that's it, guys. So that looks like a really good email, and it has my name at the bottom. And what I would have done here is come down here and click on preview. And when I click on preview, I'm going to come and I'm going to click on this link to make sure it goes to my affiliate page, so that way I can get the credit. Now, after we do that, we want to click on send now. Okay. Boom, we're off to the races. Now, once you click send now, that email blast goes out to everyone on my list. Okay. That 52,000 people. Okay. So 52,000 people are going to see that ad, and they're going to, see if they are interested in wanting to start working and start making money for themselves. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. All right. So we did send out an email yesterday. Okay. And then also, well, yeah, last night. Okay. And I want to show you the results from that on what we sent out last night. So let's see here. We have been getting some, the consistent results here. The rebuilds are coming in. Today is May the 24th. We did get 982 hops today, 730 unique hops, which is really good. Okay. And we didn't get any initial order form impressions or unique order form impressions. Okay. So today is Saturday. People could be out hanging out and not thinking about emails and working on business stuff right now. Okay, we didn't get any sales today. And then we also didn't get any rebuilds, okay? So we had a blank day, okay? Which does happen, okay, in the beginning, okay? So as you're starting out in this thing, okay, there's going to be days that you're going to blank, okay? That's just the nature of the business, okay? But once you get up to these months, okay, 6, 7, 8, once you get up to sticking with the program, you're not going to blank, okay? That's just how it is, guys. It's just a numbers game. So we get in front of the right amount of people, we're going to get sales, okay? But I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm not going to take too much more of your time. I just wanted to show you the results from today. Okay. Now, as you guys may have seen, if you guys watched yesterday's video, we did get a sale. That sale will be paid out, I believe, here in a couple of days. All right. So we'll be looking for that. And then tomorrow, when we come back to do our next video for day 25, for May 25th, okay, we're going to be looking for another initial sale or some kind of rebuild from last month. Okay. Now, the cool thing about what we're doing and why we're promoting this offer right here called Social Sales Rep is that this offer has a rebill of $29 every single month. Okay, so every single month our prospect sees this offer, they're going to get rebilled $29, and as affiliate marketers, we're going to get to keep 75 to 85% of the commission. Okay. So that commission turns into $20. Okay. So the whole point is to get multiple $20 free trials, okay, and then to get people getting rebilled for the service every single month, okay, $20, okay. So imagine getting hundreds and hundreds of people signing up for the offer and then getting billed over and over and over again for months. Okay, we're going to be able to stack those $20 payments. So we'll have $20 days, okay, $40 days, $60 days, okay, $80 days, $100 days, right? It just keeps going up and up, guys. So I'm very excited here to shoot this video series for you. We've made it to day number 45. So pretty much all those 30-day, the first 30 days, everyone that signed up for the 30-day trial in the first 30 days, they're going to they're going to get rebuild this second half. Okay. So you're going to start seeing a lot more rebuilds and stuff coming in. Okay. But I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm not going to take too much more of your time. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and meet up with you guys at the same time, same place tomorrow here, tomorrow night. So you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace.